In this video, we're going to learn how to name branch-chained alkanes. Follow along with these 4 easy steps. First, we need to find the longest continuous chain of carbons. And we're going to number the carbons in that main chain, starting at the end that will give the substituent groups, those are the branches attached to the chain, the smallest possible numbers. Sometimes we may number from the right side of the chain, like in this first example, because we hit a branch at the 2nd carbon. And if we counted in the other direction, the branch would be at the 4th carbon. Sometimes we may follow a path that we think is a branch, like in the second example, but we need to get the longest chain of carbons, which would be 5. And if we just numbered straight across, we would only get to 4. I'm going to name these chains with the numbering prefix system used for hydrocarbons. So this chain is heptane, hept means 7, and alkanes, that's molecules made of single carbon bonds, end with the suffix ane. And then this one is pentane. Next, we will number and name the branches. We use the same numbering prefix system used in alkanes, but these are branches, so we use a different suffix. The suffix for an alkane branch is -il. So the branches here are 2-methyl, 3-methyl, and 4-ethyl. And this molecule has a 3-methyl and another 3-methyl. If the name appears more than once, we only use that name once in the actual name, and we're going to add another numbering prefix, di, tri, etc., to indicate how many of that branch there are. Now we list the names of the alkyl branches in alphabetical order. And we ignore the numbering prefixes when we look for the alphabetical order, like the di and the tri. We just look at the name of the branch. Then we're going to put it all together. Hyphens separate letters and numbers, and commas separate numbers. So this is 4-ethyl 2,3-dimethylheptane. And this is 3,3-dimethylpentane.